How's it going, friends and family? Today's video is going to be about how to keep your air filter cleaner for longer. Now, I deal with a lot of dust and dirt. I haul agriculture, so for the most part my air filter gets dirty relatively quickly. I don't get a year out of mine before they're pretty plugged up with dirt, and I'll take them out and knock some of the dirt and dust off, but as you can see, they get pretty caked up, you know. And this is a good filter. This is a Volvo from the dealership, Volvo branded oil air filter. So I came across this company that makes this like a screen material for your air filter, and what they advertise is that it filters down to 125 microns. You can look them up, Freedom Air Filters. It's like a screen that goes over your air filter, and then that way this screen catches the larger particles, and then that way your new air filter lasts longer. And you know, these air filters aren't cheap, you know. I think this one was like $65 for this Donaldson Volvo D13 2013. Here's a part number P606720, the 2013 Volvo with the D13. Other years may apply. So you know, this filter, it doesn't last me even a year normally, so just to try to prolong the life a little, well, actually quite a lot, this is lasts a lifetime. You can wash it, it's washable, and yeah, it's supposed to catch 125 micron debris down to that size, which is 0.005 inch. So yeah, as long as it catches the larger stuff, you know, we'll be good. Our filter will last a lot longer, hopefully, you know, a couple times longer, and then we can, you know, instead of replacing these filters every less than a year, we could probably go 2 years or longer. So I'll show you here. This is what the air intake looks like, the air box, T6 T330s, this kind right here, and then here's the cover, like so. These bolts are tightened down to 5 Newton meters, which is very little, but pretty much hand tight. So let me get this sleeve onto the new air filter, and I'll bring you back. All right. So we got the sleeve all the way on the new filter. Fits pretty nicely, has a nice elastic band on both sides, keep it nice and tight all around the edges. And that's the website, freedomairfilters.com. I paid $69 for this one, for this Volvo, plus like $3 or $4 shipping. It got to my house pretty fast. So yeah, it looks very well made. The material is nice. Looks to be nice quality. And let's get this into the truck now. Now I got this on, but I need 2 hands to put the cover on, and I'll bring you back. And we got the cover all back installed. Make sure it's seated up nicely, no gaps. Go easy on this on these screws, the T30s. There's 6 of them. And you could see you got our new air filter pre-filter. And also, this company also sells, you can either get the filter cover that goes over that main engine filter, or you can get the 2 covers that go on the side hood air vents, either or. I chose to go with the main engine air filter. I just wanted it there. And they also sell a cover for the AC, or the cabin air filter cover. They also sell one of those also. It's about the same, around $60 or so. So it goes over this little filter that's located under this cover, which is for the cabin. So all in all, I'm happy with it. It looks well made. and I'm pretty sure it's gonna definitely help the longevity of the air filters. You know, I'll still take it out every now and then and wash it out and put it back on, and you know, in a couple months here I'll see how much debris it actually caught, and I'll report back. But they make it for all makes and models: Peterbilt, International, Freightliner, all brands, even the exterior breathers for the hood trucks and all kinds of machinery, and they make them for other vehicles too, so check them out if you're interested. Alrighty, I hope I earned your subscription. Have a great day.